Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Engine Chicken Attack! Each competing engine will have a mini in its tender. And the mini that loses will get fed to a flock of hungry chickens.
Chickens are hazardous to minis. Risks include being pecked at and being stepped on.
Welcome to the quarterfinals. It's Ryan versus Thomas.
Oh no, Thomas! Oh no, what am I gonna do now? Yeah, chickens, eat your food, not the mini. Careful now, don't step on me. That was a little too close. And that too. That's right, just walk away. Lunchtime's over. Hey, I said lunchtime's over.
Phew! That was a close one. Chickens scare me.
And now it's time for Little Dot versus Glenn. Backward mode.
I don't see any chickens around.
Next up, Ferdinand versus RHENEAS. Who wants to win this?
Oh, this can't be good. Oh no, look at those chickens over there. Ah, they've come to get me! What am I going to do? Shoo! Shoo, I say! Go away! Why are they all so attracted to me? I'm not chicken food. Whoa, now those are some big claws. Watch where you're going now. Careful, careful. All right, I'm still alive.
Finishing up the quarterfinals, Billy versus Freddie. On Billy's first time ever on the Choo Channel, and he's even got chickens.
Oh, cinders and ashes. Nice little chickens. Nice little chickens. Don't forget about personal space. I need my personal space, please. Thank you. Hey, remember what I said about personal space? Back off. Ouch, those beaks are sharp.
Semi-finals, Ryan versus Glenn.
Oh no! You gotta be kidding me! Oh, where are they? What am I supposed to just wait here? Where are they? Oh no! Okay, nice chickie, nice chickie. No, don't get me. Don't get me. Okay, nice chickie. Please don't step or peck at me. Okay, good. I think they understand me. Please do not step anywhere near me. I am a very fragile mini. Do you guys listen at all?
Semi-finals, Ferdinand versus Freddie, with the winner facing Glenn in the finals.
This is really just wrong. I can't believe I'm being fed to chickens. Hey, leave me alone! I said leave me alone! Stop pecking me! Hey, that hurts! Ouch! Come on! You stop it! Leave me alone! I'm a really nice mini. I think you'd like me if you got to know me. Stop it! Hey, what's your problem? Hey, what did I ever do to you? That was really uncalled for.
Final round! Glenn versus Freddie!
Come on, Glenn. I don't want to be chicken food. Come on, Freddie, you've got this.
Come on, Glenn. I think we need fast forward mode again.
Ah, this isn't good. You chickens wouldn't want to eat something salty now, would you? Now get away from me! Shoo! Go away! Leave me alone! Go away!
Hey, where'd Salty go?
Help! I'm over here! The chickens thought I was one of their eggs! They put me in here! Get me out! Hello? Can anyone hear me? Yeah, you! I'm not one of your eggs! I'm not gonna hatch! I'm not a baby chick! I'm a mini! Get me out of here! Just don't sit on me! Bring me back to Sodor! Fly me back to the island of Sodor! They need me there! I'm a very useful engine!
Glenn is the winner! Don't forget to click subscribe and give us a thumbs up, or else we'll feed you to the chickens.